And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. If you follow me on IG at the Farron Shop, you'll see that Blue has a window. You will also see that Blue has a window with a bunch of scratches in it. I mean, has a bunch of scratches. Also, this car has a semi-cleaner window in it. As you can see, it's pretty clean. Just has, some acid rain on there, but we can get that buffed out. But it has a messed up seal there. And by the grace of God, this door has the seal and the mirror that I previously mentioned in the last clip. So what I'm going to do now is going to remove the seal out of here, remove the glass out of here, replace the seal, take the glass and swappy with Blue. I'll be back. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So boom. It's too low to get out the other way. So boom. 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 And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We got our new seal on there. Swapped out the scratchy window for the nice window. Look at that. Blue's got a seat in there. Needs to be cleaned up, but it's a little runaround seat. But we have the seal here. I'm having a little issue where this is kind of like not right, but we're gonna work on that later. Rear seats acquired. They look pretty clean too. Let go. Next on the menu, we have removed all of the seats out of here because we're going to go grab some more seats, and I needed room to put the seats that we're going to grab in here. I'll see y'all when we get there.
You doing a lot of doing.
I ain't doing too much. Back at the house, we got the moldings on, clipped down and everything, like they on there. This one is a little not so nice. But if we walk over here to the one that I took off, you'll see the one that's on the car isn't that bad. I think we're gonna heat that up and just see if we can get it down. But this one is freaking clean. So we're gonna pull the mirror back off and get this molding up out of there. In the meanwhile, let's talk about some seats. My only regret, this always happens to me. I never take before pictures. Don't worry about the 90-91 side buckles. We rocking. The guy got me for two mismatch headrests. Well, whatever. Man, these seats was busted. You hear me? Busted. I mean, black tire marks on them, grease marks. These things are like they look really good, man. I took them to my detailer and had them cleaned. They look really good. We already installed the rears in the bucket. Some nasty browns, but it's dark down there because it's still a little wet. Ruined the headrest, but it's just a bucket, man. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go ahead and end the video right here as I'm in the gas station getting some gas right now. So you see we got some new seats. Blue got some moldings, got a window. Stay tuned till next time when we change the color of the interior pieces. So until next time, turn one. Peace.